Yo guys, welcome to my first video on YouTube. My name is AMAD and today I've got a little unboxing for you. This is the Apple Pencil 2. As you can see, it's a really small package. This is new. It cost around $130 US dollars, and it's compatible with the latest generation iPad Pro models that have been released in early November 2018. This model, or the 12-inch. So let's unbox it. So it's basically as the same package as the older first generation Apple Pencil. Now let's start with the unboxing, shall we? This is always satisfying. So let's get this out of the way, and oh, you have this film right here you can pull to get the pencil out. And we have designed by Apple in California first, of course. This is the package. It's hollow. Yep, so paperwork. This is nice. Good quality. Well, Apple's known for that. Now, this is the Apple Pencil. I probably will never read those. Nobody ever will. We have no Apple stickers. Wow. Okay. The real deal is here. Wow. You know, it's kind of like high-end pen packaging. Anyway, wow, this feels nice. So let's get this out of its paper. Wow, feels nice. Now, so the Apple Pencil 2, we have it here. It has a matte finish, which is nice. I can feel it, which makes it, I think, more like real pencil. And as we all know, it attaches magnetically to the side of your iPad Pro, and it works for the charging as well as for pairing, so which is a good thing. Unlike the first generation Apple Pencil, it doesn't have the lightning connector here, which was weird, to be honest, to charge it every time, plug it into the iPad. Like, it wasn't nice. So we have double tap function here on the lower part of the pencil, sorry, for changing the tools. Now, that's all for now about the pencil. I hope you guys like it. And if you wanna see more videos like this, just let me know, guys. This is my first video on YouTube, and if you're into tech, subscribe and like the video. It helps me a lot. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.